everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, today we have 2 unboxing and 2 shoutouts. One of them I already opened. So the first thing we have is from Lazy Days Ahead, and I'm sure everybody knows who they are, and if not, you better go check them out. And they sent me something I won on their giveaway. Now, I wasn't supposed to tell Mama I got this. However, she was watching you, Jesse and Lisa, when you guys did this giveaway. So, no way I could get away saying that I don't have this. Wait. Okay, you guys packed this thing up really good. And what we have here, we have a wonderful card. Congratulations on winning this jam. Thank you for the support and joining in our lives. We truly appreciate you. Hope you have a blessed week. Much love, Lisa and Jesse. That is awesome. And oh, we got a little extra stuff in here. We have jam, which I have bad lighting in here right now. Oh, I got two Jesse and Lisa bracelets. I don't have those yet, so I have, I think, your keychains. Awesome. I'll give one to Mama, okay? But some of their awesome jams, and I am very excited to use these if Mama don't find them first. Thanks so much, Jesse and Lisa. The second thing we have is from Tuber Chat. You guys all know Kevin from Tuber Chat. He had his first giveaway, and I was the winner of these business cards that he had made up. So he had 500 of them, and they are awesome. So as you can see, it says my name, Woman Outdoors, on it. And on the back side of it has the QRC code you can just scan with your phone, and it goes directly to my channel. Is that awesome? Wow. And I got quite a few of them, so I'll be leaving them in restaurants, bars, wherever, so people know how to find me. So that's all I have for now, and I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you check out Tuber Chat and Lazy Days Ahead. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.